Again! SVR. Did I call it?
Earthquake early warning. Strong shaking expected.
Hello, dear consumer of Smyrna Products Incorporated. Have you ever been wondering why there's only one OI check station for all this time that's been wireless? Well, dear consumer, I present to you wireless WXK63. It's got all the things that WXK63 had. Random severe thunderstorm warnings for Franklin, Tennessee County. Random other things for Cannon, Coffee, Bedford, and all the other counties. And for Grundy. And then, of course, Moore County. You have all of the things on old WXK63, but now they're wireless. Which means that they won't be going like this anymore. So you get to hear beautiful call on WXK63 just as you do on KIG79. Wireless WXK63. It's here.
Providing mostly sunny skies.
IWX Marine warning! IWX Marine warning!
Oh, what?
SBR for Houston, Montgomery, and Stewart!
Okay, that just came out of nowhere. Here we go. Here we go.
Here we go! Where's SBR? Okay!
SBR! We can't hear it now!
Here we go!
Your mic is being stupid and cannot pick up the radios!
Hey,
It did for like a second.
Yeah, and then it just...
how does the 210 activate?
Out of the blue!
That doesn't make sense.
Oh,
What are these locations?
first, a IWX Marine warning, and now, a OHX SBR.
OHX SBR out of nowhere.
Out of the blue! Wait, OHX
Alright, well there we go. Come on, OHX, why you have to do this to me?
And now the extended forecast.
I forgot W647.
Andy Griffith show. What was that?
Tornado.
Tornado watch!
Tornado watch? Who's this for?
I don't know.
Oh, Middle Tennessee! It's for Middle Tennessee! In fact. Okay. Any second now.
Oh, that's true.
Here we go.
Here we go!
Come on, you better activate. You better activate WR100. I'm trusting you, okay?
Any second.
Okay, brace myself. I gotta brace myself for this. For the all loudness.
Come on, O-Checks.
Hurry up.
Holy crap.
Here we go, boys.
Here we go!
Go!
Here we go! Here we go! Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Warrior, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Jarlsdale, Williamson, and Wilson. Every county in KRG 79
are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to more weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for severe weather information.
Let's go!
And the 12250 activated this time. Let's go. Fox 17? Okay, they're coming in at a lower resolution, but you know, it's pretty good. The sub channels aren't too good. Here we go! Yep, here we go. Is there retoning you want to get it? Don't ask why I have both my 310 and my 210 on. It's a lot of counties. WLC? Alright. Whoa. Alright, let's see, who's this for? Who's this for?
It's for Dixon, Montgomery.
Yeah, Dixon, Montgomery, Robertson. And then Houston, Humphrey, Stewart. So basically, everyone in the flash flood emergency plus Montgomery. Alright, those activated. W. What'd you say? Yeah, they were. 100.1 or 101.1? So 101.1?
No.
5,000.
Here we go. Yeah, you're right. Alright. 95.5. Oh, 94.5.
1220.
Barely, but yeah. Okay. Well, you were right, Kagan. Guess who else is probably going off? WMPT. Where's my remote? Where's my remote? Where's my remote? There it is. Alright. Let's go. First over-the-air alert. And I get to catch the sub-channels. Mode not... What the... What? What? No! They just went up the air! Oh, there we go. No, they did!
They went off the air?
Yeah!
If you leave it off the air, you're not smacking the message signal.
Yeah, either one. No, it says mode not supported. This does not happen. Cause see, I'm getting signal of these people, but not these people. Okay, I'm gonna try and catch it off the website. Did they really go off the air? Dude, they. Oh no, no, they didn't. All right, here we go.
Palmyra.
1025 the game. $34.99.
Here's the EOMs. All right.
Yeah.
Here we go. That was awesome.
Here's some DOMs.
WMPT.
I'm sure they came back.
Yeah. Not on. No, not over the air. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh. That's why. That's why that's not going on. Oh, here we go! Oh, crap! Wow!
What?
The Myrna got cursed again. By OHX.
Smyrna into Cursity. Smyrna into Cursity.
OHX!
For we spam SBRs out nowhere.
I am that. Not. What?
Hey, Solomon.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hello. FDR.
What do you learn?
That's perfect timing. That's perfect timing. Myrna, that's perfect timing. Smyrna, that's Smyrna.
Dude!
That's perfect timing.
That's perfect timing.
Alright, this is bordering my county. Oh,
No, that's perfect timing right there. That's perfect timing right there. That is perfect timing. Oh my gosh. Smyrna.
Yeah?
That's perfect timing right there. It's like still recording it, all of a sudden SBR gets this shit.
Exactly. Like, I'm over here trying to record you, and then SBR happens!
Oh my god.
AFK.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Solomon, guess the anthem.
What?
Guess the national anthem.
Germany?
This WNPT music.
No.
Yeah, Germany?
No.
Your
It's
mom?
Russia. It's Russia.
Oh. Bro, I gotta say that's honestly perfect.
So like,
Guys, bye! Come on. This is awesome.
I cannot believe how perfectly timed that SBR was.
Oh! Another!
doubleheader.
Perfect timing again!
The timing of
Another
that!
SBR! Oh my gosh! That's perfect timing
Doubleheader.
again!
Dude,
Hey, It wasn't a double. Oh wait, they're already relaying the SVR. I seen them relaying the SVR on your TV.
That was literally in unison.
Yes, bruh, perfect timing again. Right as soon as you're about to, right as soon as that literally, right as soon as WNBT was about to relay another SVR.
Another SPR for your mom.
No. Bruh, that's perfect timing again. Oh my gosh.
I'm joking.
That's it being a double header. Wait, what? It's Myrna.
Yeah?
I shall jinx another one after this. Wait, what?
Don't you dare.
Watch me! Watch me!
Dude, that was in unison though, right? Like,
Yeah, that was
you can't get me wrong. That was in unison. Because
Yeah,
the
you were about to
second
record the
that OHX toned that SVR, WMPT went off.
Yeah, and then... You know,
Hold on, no guys, imagine OHX does this.
I hear that.
Oh no, not again.
I cannot believe how perfectly timed that was. And the Louisville
guys, Louisville tornado warning.
Yep.
For who?
Green
For
Heart,
Marion,
Nelson, and Washington.
Nelson, Washington. And Wilmington just went on. Wilmington just did something. Continued severe thunderstorm warning.
Alright, I'm gonna go use the restroom. So if OHX does it again, I swear.
Alright,
So
go
that
come in
The
the toilet then. I mean, what?
Counts.
Hold on.
There it goes again. There goes his TV. And he just lost signal! He just lost signal!
Wait, on what?
WNPT! Look! During
Oh
the
my
SVR
God.
relay, he loses signal. Oh, wait. Wait, is it coming back? Bruh.
They probably
Where
just
is
went
it?
off the air.
Probably.
Are you kidding me?
Yes! Look, right! There we go! Right as soon as it just starts relaying now, it just goes, nope! It just goes to black saying no signal. It's honestly hilarious though.
That was awesome.
Oh!
Are you hearing this?
Yo!
Dude!
Yo!
Come on!
Yo! So much lag! Wait,
Nothing kicks on drugs.
Wait, watch it lose signal again? Wait, what?
I thought that was an SVR.
It's
Put
Myrna.
Smyrna, check
Yeah.
DMs.
Watch. I will jinx them losing signal again.
Dare.
Alright. Watch me. I see that black screen say no. If I see that TV say no signal with the black screen, that means I jinx it. Oh!
Rutherford! Oh!
Where's the
It's
county?
impossible! And it's for Smith!
It's for your county!
Oh, City Smyrna! It's for the City of Smyrna!
What?
Smyrna! You're on it!
Oh, crap!
Okay.
Smyrna, it's for your city!
Eastern Davidson County in Rutherford
Ow!
Western DeKalb County in
It's considerable!
Rutherford County in
It includes the entire county, I think.
Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee. Eastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee.
Yeah, it does, basically.
Southwestern Tri-State County in Middle Tennessee. Cannon County in Middle Tennessee.
Tornado possible.
Central Daylight Time.
For Smyrna!
Yeah.
Central Daylight Time.
And Murphy's
That's
Row.
for...
Storms were located
Yep, Smyrna and Murfreesboro.
6 miles east of Springhill, moving east at
65 miles per hour. Hazard. 70 miles per hour.
Okay, Nashville's not under this.
Nashville.
SPR for Rankin.
damage. Damage is likely to mobile.
Also, guess what county it's for?
Smith. Murfreesboro, Franklin, Gallatin, Lebanon, Woodbury, Carthage, Anna, Brentwood, Loveland, Love Juliet, Evansville, Nolensville, Lakewood, Moretown, Gordonsville, Hermitage, Warren Hill, and Antwerp. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 253, Interstate 24 between mile markers 53 and 91, Interstate 840 between mile markers 34 and 76. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
Daylight time for Middle Tennessee. Oh! Don't water! Don't water!
It's for Waterford again! It's for Waterford again! It's for Waterford again!
Dixon, Tennessee.
Bro, what? There we go. I was gonna say!
Dang it, Nashville! Here we go! It's for Rutherford County again! Here we go!
Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! What's that?
Wait, what?
Rutherford tornado!
You want Rutherford!
Rutherford!
Oh.
It's for you! It's for your area!
Frick.
For Murfreesboro!
I'm south of the warning.
That's
Guys, praise God that I'm south of the warning.
Take cover
Look
now!
at this. Look at
Take
this.
cover
It's
now!
south. He's
It's
south.
for
I'm
Murfreesboro!
just
South
north
of
of the
him.
warning.
It's gonna be a triple winner!
Look at
Whoa! Oh
I'm
my
just
gosh!
north of the warning.
Jeez!
Holy shoot, look at that.
Oh my gosh!
I am
This just went from 0 to 100 quickly.
Wait a minute! Smyrna! Smyrna!
Yeah? I don't have to
What
take-
side of Rutherford County are you on again?
Look. Here's the
Smyrna!
WPA. I'm not under it though. Thank God I'm not under it.
But Smyrna, what side of Rutherford County are you in?
I'm on Northwestern.
Okay.
See?
That's the range.
I'm not under
Northwestern?
this. I'm north.
Okay, yeah, you're good. It's for Southern Rutherford.
Yeah,
You're
look
good.
at my camera.
Yeah. Oh, your camera's turned off. Turn it on.
Okay, yeah, alright.
Turn on your camera, Smyrna.
Dude! Alright, yeah. I will. I gotta show you this. I'm not under this TOR.
Here comes the trailer!
Here we go!
There you go!
First of the day!
Here we are!
Williamson!
Southern Rutherford County!
Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. Smyrna's radio's going off gives me Ari vibes for some reason.
Oh gosh.
No, because that's the way that her radio. That's pretty much the way it used to be for her. That's how like it was the EAR 10 and 519.
Yeah. Well, except for the CKW 2000.
No, actually, Smyrna doesn't have one. God dang it.
Praise God. I am not under this.
Okay, luckily you're not under this, because this is for Southern Rutherford. It's not for North.
Just for your consideration.
Okay, the good thing is it's not for the North portion.
3.2 miles away from this polygon.
Yeah, because it's not for the North portion of Rutherford County.
Strong
Get it?
Benson, like
No.
Northern Kenton, Boone, Western Hamilton.
Oh, yep. Jeez.
That.
That's Louisville.
Excuse tornado warning.
Tornado warning for Rutherford and Williamson does not include me. Thank God.
Yeah, luckily you are not under the warning.
That polygon.
Thank gosh you are not under the warning. The next day went out like you're scheduled by 9 p.m. Jeez. Well, that was insane! So I knew that was gonna happen!
Dude,
That just escalated quickly.
that is insane.
That just escalated quickly.
Yeah, that escalated extremely quickly.
Yeah. I don't know.
Shoot.
I
My
think-
heart literally sank whenever I saw tornado warning.
Yeah, but Smyrna, I can tell that National pretty much pulled a DTX because that SPR was supposed to be a doubleheader, and basically most of the time, whenever there's a doubleheader for DTX, most of the time they just make it separately. They do not make it a doubleheader. So they kind of pulled a DTX there.
Dude, guys.
What?
The radio enthusiast is under this TOR.
Ooh!
Look.
Oh, I forgot. Wait, is he in Murfreesboro?
Yeah.
Oh.
Isn't he the one that got the black and silver?
No, that's the other one that's in Murfreesboro. But he's under this too. So we had 2 EAS enthusiasts, possibly 3.
Yeah, cause you never know.
Okay, she's not. She's fine. Oh.
That's good.
And it would have been 5. It would have been 5 if April was
I
there.
see WNBT relaying right behind you.
Oh yeah. I can't find the
Oh, TOA for LAX and MLB! TOA for LAX and MLB! TOA for LAX and MLB!
Waiting for you!
Esper! Go!
Oh shoot!
Wait a minute! It's for Jackson!
There we go!
There he goes! TOA for Jackson!
Finally.
Jackson County!
Running off SPC.
Switch the camera!
Hey, that was fast!
I'm about to join back on my computer.
Oh my gosh!
Wouldn't this be pretty crappy if this tornado ripped through downtown Murfreesboro?
Wait a minute, let's see.
Guys,
What?
this is what I'm seeing.
Oh gosh.
Rotation.
Here we go. I'm gonna record this on my phone. Hold on. Not for us. It's not for us. It's for north of. It's for us. Yes, we're north of the warning.
At 7:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles east of Thompson Station, or 12 miles southeast of Franklin, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Number 128 has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time.
That was nice.
Mississippi.
Yeah.
Holy shoot! I just caught it on Uverse.
Central Daylight Time Saturdays for the following areas in Alabama: Baldwin Coastal and Mobile Coastal.
Here we go! Here we go! Oh crap! What the heck? Here we go! SBR! This is for... Smith! Oh crap, my power just flickered!
County in Little Tennessee, McCann County in Little Tennessee, Jackson County in Little Tennessee,
Okay.
Southeastern
Everyone say hi to State College, he's on the phone.
Clay County in Little Tennessee, Southeastern Macon County in Little Tennessee, East Central Trousdale County in Little Tennessee, Northwestern Wood County in Little Tennessee, Putnam County in Little Tennessee, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Huntsville to 6 miles west of Gordonsville to 8 miles south of Watertown, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cookville, Sparta, Smithville, Livingston, Carthage, Gainsboro, Algood, Watertown, Baxter, Gordonsville, Hickman, South Carthage, Alexandria, Dowelltown, Liberty, Auburntown, Hamptons Crossroads, Pleasant Shade, Center Hill Lake, and Cummins Falls State Park. This includes includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 247 and 296. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
Get back to normal and get back. It's the night.
Tornado warning! What's this for? Rutherford! This does not include me, though.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southern DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, east central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee,
here we go.
northwestern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, central Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Woodbury, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel clouds.
Whoa!
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or
What was that?
Damage to roofs.
Updates Tornado Watch, cancels Davidson, Morris, Sumner, Williamson. Continues the rest.
Dangerous storm will be near Woodbury around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Smithville around 8:50 p.m.
I'm not under this, but holy
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm.
yeah, I'm still under that.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you
That was
are
a double
outdoors,
header.
in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Here's WMBT.
So
Triple header! Triple! I didn't even see that too. Wait a minute. No! This is not gonna be a... No, it's not.
Southeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee. Western Van Buren County in Middle Tennessee.
Yeah, WXK63 is about to go off for this tornado warning as well.
Middle Tennessee. Southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee.
We are catching
Bedford
alerts.
County in Middle Tennessee. Grundy County in Middle Tennessee.
Dude, that's a triple header on KIP 79.
Cannon County in Middle Tennessee until 9 p.m. Central Daylight
Bro.
Time. At 8:26 p.m.
MPT.
Central Daylight Time,
Here's the
severe
tornado warning.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Watertown to 11 miles southeast of Murfreesboro to near Lynchburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour.
WNPT.
Source,
Why?
radar
Why is
indicated.
it a why?
Impact, expect considerable tree
Why?
damage.
What?
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
I don't know.
Locations impacted include Shelbyville, McMinnville, Manchester, Sparta, Smithville, Woodbury, Spencer, Tullahoma, Ruby Lotter, Tracy City, Montego, Altamont, Colma, Morrison, Mortars, Doyle, Bell Buckle, Beersheba Springs, Liberty, and Ogdentown. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 85 and 136. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
Here we go. Now, this isn't going to be tone on KID 79, but holy shoot. There's a tornado warning for Bedford Canyon Coffee. Now we're about to get the SVR on
The
WNPT.
National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for
When that comes out.
Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, South Central
Yo.
Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles east of Shelbyville.
This is insane!
Hazard, tornado.
Wait, is this confirmed?
Radar indicated rotation.
Oh no, this is a different cell.
Debris will be dangerous
This is a different one, I think. This is different.
Damage.
Holy shoot. Yeah, this is the one south of that.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Manchester around 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornado
Holy crap.
include Vortex, Beechwood, and Charlottesville. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 97 and
Rutherford,
110.
Tennessee.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado watch.